14 Inspiring Mudroom Ideas to Upgrade Your Entryway. Are you stuck and wishing for mudroom ideas to upgrade your entryway? Mudrooms often go plain and under-designed despite the great favor they do as a dedicated storage space. They should be more appreciated than this. More than storage, they act as a transition space between the outdoor and indoor environments. If given more attention, entryways can be stylish and blend seamlessly with the rest of the house. What is a mudroom? It is a small room or entrance hall where shoes and outerwear can be discarded before entering a home. It is called a mudroom because it functions as a space where people remove their shoes and coats to remove snow, rain, and mud, so they are not transmitted indoors. 14 Inspiring Mudroom Ideas to Upgrade Your Entryway. A mudroom with a bold design. If you have a distinct mudroom space in your house, it's a fantastic opportunity to make a bold statement. Instead of the traditional white or light colors, try black cabinetry that brings the brass hardware to life. When you enter the door, your home will feel magnificent and welcoming. Utilize the garage. Making a makeshift mudroom inside the garage is an excellent method to protect shoes and other outdoor items from tracking dirt inside. An entryway through the garage can be efficiently designed using garment racks, a shoe rack, and wooden crates. This room was a garage that the family transformed into a simple and stylish entryway. Designate a space for your pet. As a space mainly used for removing clothing and shoes you've worn outside, designated entryways are grand for pets who enjoy spending time in the backyard. In a mudroom, your pet can play freely and be safe. You can also include a dog washing station to remove all the filth before it's brought into the house. Make it bright and cheerful. A bright, colorful mudroom is a great way to lift your spirits when you leave the house. You can include a hint of vibrant lime green or bright yellow in the door to create contrasts nicely. If you have the option, a large window that enters abundant daylight into the entryway would be a perfect way to make it bright and cheerful. Maximize functionality. Do you really have a reason to skip that spin class if you have all of your workout gear right by the door? This homeowner made the most of her mudroom space by building storage systems for goods like on-the-go fitness gear, keys, and luggage. Each bin is labeled to make grabbing what you need as you go out the door a breeze. Keep it minimalistic. The purpose of a mudroom is to keep stuff organized and minimize stress. This one accomplishes soothing white hues and an organization system that includes separate sections of varying sizes. It's a sleek and minimalist style that greets you as soon as you step in the door. Include a laundry station. With the addition of storage, a laundry room can also serve as a mudroom. In this room, the countertop and storage cubbies are for laundry needs, while the floor-to-ceiling cabinets can contain everyday essentials. With two functions in one space, it is better to keep the colors and textures to a minimum to create a calming and systematized space. Divide storage cabinets. In larger families with children, each child must have their own space to store school supplies. A sectioned-off organizing system, such as lockers, is a fantastic approach to save time when you are in a hurry and guarantee that each child has everything they need before going to school each morning. A rustic entryway. Rustic entryway mudrooms have always been a popular choice among homeowners. A bench is a great place to start and should be incorporated into most entryway ideas. Use reused things like milk crates, bottles, washboards, and ladders to achieve an authentic rustic look. Turn it into a sunroom. It's fascinating to transform your entryway into a sunroom. Natural light and the experience of being partially outside are both beneficial. The effect of fresh air and plants should not be underestimated. To turn an entryway into a sunroom mudroom, the first and almost only thing you need to do is to add windows. Make it vintage and cozy. While decorating a beach house mudroom can be relatively clear, a comfortable place can create a new level of coziness. Because seaside cottages are chilly, you must play around to create a warmer space. In the entryway, create a reading book with a small library and a throw blanket, add some vintage rugs, and you're set. Add patterns and textures. You can always mix and match your favorite patterns and textures and create various themes for each season. As this entryway demonstrates, a little goes a big way. Galvanized metal baskets, patterned pillows, and a rug make visual interest and consistency more relaxed, while slick porcelain flooring gives the room a natural stone effect. harmonize it with the indoors. When there are no doors in a mudroom, consistency is crucial. The designer of this entryway used preppy striped wallpaper in a drop zone adjacent to a blue and white kitchen in Beverly Hills to keep the concept alive. This guarantees that the two areas complement and mix well together. To put it another way, don't think of your designated entryway as a storage facility. Blend outdoors and indoors. The designer of this entryway warmed up the outdoor-friendly materials, like glass doors, a skylight, and sturdy flooring, in this corridor connecting the main house and the garage with cheery throws and a light gray paint color matched the walls. I appreciate you continuing to watch.